All right, this is the solution to problem number 17 from the Math Level 1 practice exam. Geometric figure here, parallel lines, transversals, and whatnot. So let's kind of go through the given information. First given is that alpha, which is like right here, the angle alpha has the same measure as angle beta. Now you may or may not recall from geometry class that if you have, this is what I tell my students, if you can see like a Z, so these two angles are equal in that particular Z, then those two sides are parallel. So that means that D and B are parallel. You also know here that, let's see, lines E, C, and A are all parallel. In addition, DF, segment DF, is equal to segment FG in measure. So if you take a closer look at that particular triangle, DFG, these two are equal. Alpha is right here. You also know that angle FDG is 70 degrees from given information. Alright, so this is an isosceles triangle, two sides equal, which means these two base angles are equal. So you have 70 plus that alpha have to equal 180 degrees for any triangle. The angle sum has to be 180. 70 plus 70 is 140 plus 40 more for the alpha would equal 180. So 40 degrees equals alpha. Well, alpha from the given information is equal to beta. Therefore, beta is also 40 degrees, which means that this angle here, beta, is 40 degrees. Now, why do we care about that? Well, we're charged with finding angle ABC, the measure of angle ABC, which I'll use a different color here. Let's just say that's this blue angle. Okay, so part of it is at 40 degrees. Now we're going to figure out what is angle ABF. If we can find that part, then we can find add that with 40 degrees. It'll be the sum, and we'll be done with the problem. So because C and A are parallel, let's take a look at this triangle. This triangle A, B, F. Now this triangle has a parallel line here from line C that intersects at points D and G. This top little smaller triangle is this one here, the same triangle. So this is 70 degrees, and that top angle alpha, that was the 40 degrees. Okay, now in this triangle, if these two are parallel, well, there's a number of ways to look at it, and there's a couple of triangle theorems, but basically that means these two triangles, the smaller one and the bigger one, are proportional or similar triangles, which means that this angle is equal to that angle and this one equal to this. So they're all 70 degrees. That's the one we need, angle ABG, if you will. This one here, 70 degrees. So if you want to find the measure, what we're trying to do is find the measure of angle ABC. That's equal to the 70 degrees plus the 40 degrees. That will be 110 degrees, which is choice D.